Oh, I'm playing Michael. What's up, Michael? Because Avicii is one of the first guys I listened to who like played that kind of music. The whole thing is just, it makes me very sad. It's one of the first artists I listened to. As I said, he came to my university. He played there. It's like, fuck, man. Let's go knight d7. Probably put a bishop on f8, knight d7. A3 was hanging there. It's my bad. So e4 is loose. I thought he might do that. Well, let's go here, threaten this pawn. Just gonna go bishop a4. I should have played rook c2. Another my bad moment. Michael Kleinman from the Pro Chess League. Yes, that's the one. Everyone's playing me tonight. I got Crew, I got Michael Kleinman. People are hanging out. Nice to see. Play knight c4 next. Sorry?
He died in Oman.
He shouldn't have been there. F7's hanging. There's knight c5. Oh, wait a minute. Holy shit, I'm hanging material. Wait, no, I'm not. I'm a genius. Whoa! Not a genius. Whoa-hey! Yeah, I obviously blundered. Didn't see rook d6 for some reason. I was like trying to create something nice there. Bishop d1 next, perhaps? Bishop b3. This is nice. This is something. Let's get that, flick that move up there. I'll play h6 next. Ah, man. I thought he was going to take that. I'm still okay. Oh, that's mate. Fuck me. Oh, man. Dropping a game like that is very disturbing. I can tell you that's very disturbing. Even dropping a piece there, I should have won that game. I should have won that game. Are you just confirming things there, Armin?
Yeah. Still don't know it. I don't know, man.
Can't do that because I lose my queen. Rook e2, go here, then put the rook over here. Knight g6. Knight e6, whatever. Attacking the g5 here. Let's go rook f5. Just gonna go rook f5 to block the f file there.
What is that white box in the fridge?
That's for you if you want it. It's food. Yeah, it's fish and chips.
Really?
Yep.
Nice.
And it's from Jaren.
Thank you, Jared.
Yep. You're welcome, from Jaren. I'll play this. King over. This is good. I'm gonna win some stuff here. I should have played knight a3. What am I doing? I had knight a3 there. Shit, man. Okay, b3. c4 I'll take, and I'll play... Oh, I was going to say, I'll play e6 if he plays... pawn takes on d4. There's a lot of ways to win that pawn, but I never feel like it's worth it to compromise my structure like that. Maybe knight e5. This is good. Trading pieces, and yeah, b5 even better. Okay, that knight's probably gonna move. Yeah, he's gonna resign. It's a bad position for him. Can we adopt Michael Kleinman? That's the question. Are we gonna adopt him? Ooh, c5. Okay, we're gonna make him give up the bishop for that. Or he's not gonna give up the bishop. Okay, if he's not gonna give up the bishop, I'm happy. Let's take it. Or I can play knight here and then trade. Queen d3, rook d1. Let's take that bishop probably. These positions are never fully stable because I'm up a pawn, but gotta watch out for some things. Shit. Oh. Oh. Nasty. Nasty. Okay.
Okay, Michael. Activated.
buddy.
Hey, buddy. Just playing Michael Kleinman in a match. Wow.
Kleinman?
Yeah, he's playing Bullet.
Is he your adopted or?
Oh, I'm trying to. He really got me good with one game, so really set me off.
8-2. Got you good in 2 games?
But early on,
Okay.
he got me in one good one, but then one questionable, nasty one. I don't know where this pawn's going. That's not becoming a queen. I can't let that become a queen.
Kleinman's getting sneaky here.
No, we're cutting that right
Oh,
out.
I discovered
That's not on the agenda, buddy. Let me tell you that. Shit. I gotta get queen there. Oh man, I allowed his queen. Oh, what am I doing?
Jesus. Jesus.
That's so disturbing. That's so disturbing. Queen, I moved my king to the only square where it was checked. King d8 is just winning. Oh, that's very sad. I got started at fucking 0 again. Gotta start at 0 again. King d7. I mean, queen f5 is check. What am I doing? King d8, no check. And then I have that queen b2 move I was itching to play for so long. What? Fuck. I didn't see that. He snuck it by me. Once again. He's sneaking these moves by me. It's very, I gotta be on my game here. He's sneaking these pre-moves by me. It's not a pretty move. Not at all. Bring the bishop back. Covering b3. We got good pressure here. I want to play this move. Shit. Very, very bad. Whoa. I'm playing very fast this game. I can feel it. I can feel it. Sorry? Yeah. I didn't understand the question. What? I'll take. I don't think he can play that. How are you getting that knight out? I'm threatening bishop takes. It's gonna be knight takes here, yeah. We're up a piece here. This one might be falling. Let's just play d5. That was Brandon, yep. LCPCKP. Thanks for the 420 bits. Cheers, dude. Happy 420 to you. We still got 15 minutes left of 420. Shit. It's probably a bad pre-move. It's okay now. He's probably not going to trade with me. Maybe he should have. Why didn't I trade? Man, I didn't realize he was going to play that move. Like, he just declined to trade. I thought he was going to play queen d7. Fuck. d5's hanging here. Knight f3 check is good. Fuck. I don't know about this move. This could be okay. I'm gonna take this. Seems safer. Holy fuck. Bishop comes here. Hang on a sec. We got the compensation. Well, that's mate, buddy. We got the compensation. Yes, we got it. How many is that in a row? This will be my last attempt to adopt. What the fuck is that? Giving me g6 and knight f5 and everything? B4. You gotta be shitting me. You gotta be shitting me, Michael. B4? Now I have to flag you. You snuck a fast one by me. You're forcing me to flag you to adopt you. You're forcing me to flag you, buddy. You're gonna sneak a fast one like B4 by the old man? The old man's gonna sneak one by you too. Thanks for the bits, JM Kurtayan. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but however I pronounced it sounds good. Because it rhymes. Thanks for the 200 bits. Please adopt me. And thanks for the 100 bits earlier as well. I'm not playing you, buddy. I'm not playing you. JM Kurtayan. Let's go for this one. I want to play bishop c4 and knight d5. This pawn is loose, yeah, so he's gonna go there. I don't know about this tactic. I'm just trying it. It just looks cool. How many is that? Is anyone keeping track? Oh shit. He played that too. He played G3 bishop G2. I'm not saying that I'm close, I'm just saying this is the closest I've ever been. Knight to C4. This one's loose as well. Shit. This one's loose. I don't think I win here though. He missed that. Could have taken there. I have knight b4 as well. I'm just gonna check. Holy shit. Good thing I defended my queen. Holy fuck, I didn't see that. That I was attacking my queen. Woohoo! I'm not seeing any numbers in the chat. Nobody's telling me anything. I'm gonna play b5, yeah. I'll play b6. What the fuck was that? You gotta be shitting me. You're hanging a fucking piece. Yeah. That's your rook, buddy. You're gonna hang a piece? I got a fucking full piece? Holy smokes. What is this world coming to? Shouldn't be hanging that pawn. F3, queen back. Queen F2, rook A8. I want him to take my pawn on c5. I actually do. Can I get away with this? Too risky for me. Not even gonna calculate it. Shit. Don't like to have to play this move. Fuck. That must be an adoption by now. Is that an adoption, guys? Is no one confirming this? You guys don't care if I adopt people anymore. It feels bad, man. Is that an adoption? Did I already adopt him? Is that 10? That feels like 10. It's 21 to 3. There's got to be an adoption by now.
Got the screen room.
What's up, buddy?
My little brother's just video calling me. This is Amonski.
Yo, what's up, Lucas? Yo. Yo, appreciate that. Where are you right now? Where are you? Hong Kong, shit. What time is it there?
It's like 12 hours ahead.
12 hours ahead. Okay, so...
He got back from work. He worked Saturday morning and his hedge fund.
Okay. Yo, shout out to Lucas. That's Brandon's little brother. Not a great position, but we'll make it work. Bishop there. Fuck me. Is that already an adoption, guys? Please tell me it is. I was very distracted that game's. Very distracted that game. I think I lost like 15 seconds chatting there. Good games, Michael. That was an adoption? Alright, there we go. I'm happy to hear that.